2 called Dara Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we got another easy to make beautiful spring wreath. Today we are working with sunflowers, so that's it. Come on, let's get this started. We are working with our 24-inch wired wreath. We also got this sign, which I just attached there with the string. We are working with our beautiful sunflowers. We got some greenery. We also got this greenery with the little boogaloos in there. We also got assorted florals, some little sunflowers, some other. And we got some of these little cute beauties. We got our scissors, we got a wire cutter, and we got our peoples, our fans. Let's get started. Okay. Oh yeah, it's afternoon. I usually do this in the morning. Long day. Okay, first things first, let's just get this going. Okay, right there. Then we're going to have another one. Kind of balance them out. These are long. I don't want to cut them. So I want to put them away in a pot or something. Make another video. There. Then we got another right here. Wow. There we go. Now let's get some of these beauties going on. You just work with them. A couple of greeneries and pin them in, and the magic starts. Oh my God, my son's birthday's tomorrow, April, yeah. He's gonna be 14 years old. You're gonna have a Spider-Man theme. Yes, indeed. Okay, then we're gonna get more right here. Let's balance your items out. Pin them in, and it is coming alive. We got our fans, I should say. I don't know, that kind of people. We got our fans. Our subscribed fans. I don't know. You guys are our fans? You are our fans. Okay. Because you guys make my day, man. Yes, you do. Okay, now we are going to get some of these beauties in here. Let's get assorted of these. I'm trying to do my videos different by different. I don't know. But hey, glad you guys are liking them. I appreciate you guys. Yes, indeed. My fans. Okay, fans. Okay, right here. Look at that. Let's just take these out. Boing. Let's get wild with the greenery like always. Look at right there. Look, how is it coming, everybody? Look at that. Wow. Okay, here. Let's get some. What is this? Open spaces. That. Get some up here. I think I'm going to stop a bit because we're going to put our flowers in here so it could go together, buddy. Okay? Get our flowers. Okay. And we'll get back to those. Let's just go wild with our florals like always. Balance your stuff out there. Like always, step back and visualize. See, how's it looking? Looking great. Okay. Look at these, how beautiful these flowers, sunflowers are. Bright yellow colors. The mixture with that. So beautiful. It does. Look at that. Wow. We think we're going to get one of these guys down here. Look at that. One more sunflower. Okay, now we're gonna work with these guys up in here. Get some of this. I hope I don't get the wire that I attached it on. Here. Look at that. How easy is this to? Voila! Like I say always too, you want them secure, you could just get that glue gun out, just glue them on. But be careful with that glue gun. Okay, now there, look at that, everybody. Wow. Okay, right here. Let's get in the front where everybody's gonna see everything, Mama. There. Okay, we got one more. I think we got it right here. And check that out, everybody. Wow, we got these. Let me see. We'll get some drama of these in right here. Look at that. We'll get some more on this side. Let's put them in there. Look at that. How beautiful. Ooh. Uh-oh. I think this is going to go down more down here. There, it was mixed with that. How beautiful. Okay. Once again, I think we got it. Let's turn it around and let the fans see what we got today, what we all made today, everybody. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, let me adjust my camera. Woo. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. I enjoy being here with you guys. Hope you got some ideas or some inspiration. Just enjoy my videos. If you do, consider pressing the subscribe button, everybody, and have a great, wonderful day. And get that smile on. Press subscribe if you enjoyed. And have a great day. Thank you for watching. It's just so beautiful.